Hello, everybody. This is Dee from DeesCuteNCrafty, and I am back with, yes, another Valentine's Day video. I know I said in my last video that it was my last Valentine's video, but I got so much in my head, you guys. I just got to push it out. So bear with me. We got one more, I promise, and then we're done. So I'm going to start out using my Dollar Tree Love Words. I have 2 tumbling tower blocks from Dollar General. I have some of the pink hearts from Dollar Tree. I have an old Halloween sign. It was a scalloped sign. I went ahead and prepped it already by taking all of the paper off of the back. I have my Dollar Tree yarn in Cupid and Candy Heart and my Waverly White chalk paint. So I did go ahead and prep the sign ahead of time, took all the paper off, got my heart drawn on, spackled the holes, all of the things, because I didn't want to go through all that on camera, because you guys know how to take paper off the back of a sign. So I didn't think that that was necessary. So here you see I've gone in with my Waverly White chalk paint and gave it a very rough coat, and then went in with my Gator sander and roughed it up some more because I love the weathered old distressed look. If it's not your vibe, it's not your jam, it's not your thing, don't do it. Paint yours any way you want, but this is what I enjoy. So now I'm going around my heart that I drew on there with the Cupid. And then after I get that filled in as much as I want, I'm going to go in the center with the candy heart. And now I'm going to take some of this Dollar Tree lace, which was an afterthought actually, and I'm just going to go around the outside of the Cupid color. And you guys, this reminds me of the boxes of chocolates used to get a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, but they don't make the boxes of chocolates. At least I haven't seen them as pretty as they used to be. The boxes used to be so ornate with lace around the edges and roses and all of that on your box of chocolate, especially if you got a big box. And I just haven't seen that anymore. And this is so reminiscent of that, and I absolutely love it. So that's why I did it. I just took one of the love words and I hot glued it to the bottom of my sign. I'm going in with these really cute pink, like fuchsia hearts. I'm going to use the satin one, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the center of that heart opening. Now that piece that we cut out, just set it to the side because we're going to use it in another DIY in this video. But I love this fuchsia color. I also picked up the very soft pink ones. You guys saw that on the mason jar when I did that video for Valentine's Day. So I grabbed this bag as well. Going to do some hot glue and some masking tape because it holds really well. And then I'm going to take these timber blocks. I don't think they're tumbling towers at Dollar General, but I can't remember what they're called, but they're bigger and they're thicker than Dollar Tree. I'm going to put those on the back to make this stand on its own. I took my leftover lace and made a nice fluffy bow. She's done. Here's DIY number 1, you guys. There's 4 in this video today. So, as always, comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite of the 4 that I'll be bringing you today. Is this one my favorite? No. If you want to know which one is, you're going to have to keep watching. Moving on to DIY number 2, we have that little piece of heart from the previous DIY. We have some felt hearts, keys, arrows, all of the things from Dollar Tree. I'm still using my Waverly White chalk paint, and I'm going in my stash of little bits and pieces, and I want a key. They do have keys in the felt package, but I don't want to use a felt key for this. And we're going to use some of those little half pearls, the self-adhesive ones from Dollar Tree as well. So I'm just showing you all the things that come in this little package, and I'm going to use the heart lock. And then I'm just going to choose one of my own keys because I wanted something a little more than just that felt. So I have some plastic laser cut, no, they're not. I have some wood laser cut keys from Dollar Tree, and I have a plastic key from some keys I picked up at Joann's. I'm going to use the plastic key because I like that it looks more like a bronze metal key. So I just gave my heart a rough coat of the Waverly White, and now I am going to go around the edges with these little half self-adhesive pearls from Dollar Tree. This one is really cute, so easy, super easy to do, and it would look good on a tiered tray. And I didn't want to waste that center heart that I cut out from the previous DIY, so I had to do something with it, and this is what came to mind. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. I'm so glad you are here. The weather here is snowy. Oh my gosh. If you saw my post, yeah, that's what Ohio's looking like. I did a post to show you all the snow. It is an awesome day to craft, you guys. Not to go out anywhere. Stay in, stay warm, and craft something beautiful. So now that I have all of those pearls all the way around the edge of the heart, I'm going to take some jute cord and just thread together the heart, lock, and the key, and just get those tied together so that I can attach them. I'm going to use some of this burlap looking lace from the Dollar Tree and just make a really rough, rustic looking bow. Nothing fancy. And I'm just going to get this hot glue down and put that bow on top. We're going to do a little bit of hand lettering. I'm going to write in the center, key to my heart. You guys could leave this absolutely blank, and that would be fine as well. Or you can put on the felt black love lettering from Dollar Tree that I showed you in that pack. You could actually attach one of the smaller red hearts that's not a key cutout that I showed you from the package. The options are absolutely limitless. Whatever it is you want to do to the center of this, or nothing at all, would still be really cute. So I'm going in with my pencil first. You guys know that that's something I love to do because I can erase anything I mess up before I go over it in permanent Sharpie. Thank you as well to all of my old subscribers, my ride or dies, the ones who have been with me from the beginning. I love you. I appreciate you so much. You guys, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. That lets YouTube know you're enjoying my content. They push me out a little bit more so others can see it and join the Cute and Crafty family as well. She's done. And here's DIY number 2. Very simplistic and very cute. I love it. I hope you guys do too. Moving on to DIY number 4, I have some of this nautical jute cord from Dollar Tree, a little bit of jewelry wire from Joann's, one of the heart frames from Dollar Tree, ribbon from Hobby Lobby, some ribbon from, oh my goodness, where's that ribbon from? Big Lots. And then I have some Dollar Tree Buffalo check and gingham that I end up not using, and some of the Dollar Tree lace. I was just showing you that I have the 9.5 foot of the nautical cord, and all I did was separate it. I just pulled it apart. When you pull it apart, you get 2 pieces that are wrapped together twice each piece, and then you can pull that apart again and get 4 actual pieces of this nautical cord in 9.5 feet each. I just unraveled it once. So now I'm just going to take this and go around and around and around the outside edge of this heart. And I only put hot glue at the beginning and at the end. And then I went around with it and I did the inside of the heart, as you can see. And now I'm taking some of the Dollar Tree farmhouse lace and I'm going to go around the inside of this heart because I wanted a different look and texture for the inside, but I knew if I just tried to wrap it around the wire, you would still see the wire. It would take way too much ribbon to cover that. This way, I only have to go around it and overlap it once. And this is tedious. It is quite time consuming, you guys. So, watch your favorite movie, listen to some music, have a conversation with your family, whatever it is you need to do to get through it, because it takes a minute to wrap all of this on here. So here you see that I'm going to take this ribbon from Big Lots, And I am just going to attach it at the crossbar with some wire. I threaded the wire through the ribbon. I twisted it on at the crossbar because you need something to hook it to, so you have to go over that bar that crosses over from heart to heart. And then I added a dab of glue just to make sure that it holds together. But that wire is going to keep it in place where you want it. And then I'm just scrunching it. And this is the back. Every so often I'll add a dab of glue to that ribbon. And when I get to another crossbar, I just push the wire through both sides of the ribbon and go under and over that crossbar and twist it together. And anywhere you think you need glue on that ribbon, if it doesn't seem to hold together or stay scrunched together, then you just add some glue. And I wanted the opening part of the ribbon, as you can see, on the back of the heart, because I didn't want to do it the other way in case you see the glue as I'm putting it in. So here we go again, and I didn't cut any of the ribbon. I left it as is. I didn't cut it until I got to the very end. And I'm flipping it over so you can see. And now that I'm all done with the ribbon, here is my cut on that. I'm going to take some more of that wire, feed it through both sides of the ribbon, go under that crossbar and give it a good twist, and cut off any excess wire that I don't need. Now you can see the crossbars, they're still green, and really when I did the center heart in the lace, I should have done the crossbars at that time. Do your crossbars, cover them before you put the ribbon on. Cover them when you're doing the lace. Initially, I thought I would use the jute cord to cover the crossbars, but the lace was so much easier. So I went with that. And you guys, this is my favorite. Of course it is, because it's the one that took the most time and the most work. But it came out super cute, and I love it. So I took some of that ribbon that I showed you in the beginning and some of my lace, and I made a big fluffy bow. I took some scraps of fabric, and I tied those in as well to give it like a tattered kind of tail look. And this is gorgeous. Here's finished DIY number 3, and definitely my favorite. Hands down, without a doubt, my favorite of the 4 today. Again, it took a lot of work with all the wrapping of everything, but you know, you just put on your favorite music or your favorite video or watch other people crafting or your favorite movie, and the time does go faster than you think. But this is so worth it. Just beautiful. I love the farmhouse shabby vibe of it. My favorite today. Moving on to DIY number 4 and the last one in this video. I had this leftover wood compartmentalized box, and I have these little plastic end pieces, little embellishments from Hobby Lobby. I'll be using my Waverly White and my Waverly Antique Wax and some scrap pieces of MDF board. And I just took those scrap pieces and I made little X's with them. You guys probably can figure out what we're going to be doing. And I'm covering them or painting them with the Waverly White. I'm going to take this little box. It came with some little wooden ornaments in it, and I got this either from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby. No, it wasn't Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby or Joann's. The ones at Dollar Tree are a lot smaller, the boxes are. And I kept it once I used all the wood pieces out of it because I knew I could do something with it. So this is what we're doing. We're going to make Tic Tac Toe, and this is for my grandbaby. This is for Selena. So I went ahead and covered it, got it all painted with the Waverly Wax. I added my little corner embellishments, and I went over them and dry brushed them with the Waverly White so that they would stand out and have more definition. I took my X's that I made, and I popped in some Dollar Tree wooden red hearts, and that is it for this DIY. So fast and easy. Showing you different things you can use. I have some Scrabble letters in the X's. I have some of the wood Dollar Tree hoops. And you can use any piece of that you want, any one of those, to play this game. And here's the finished DIY number 4. I know my granddaughter is going to love this. Her and I play games together all the time. I taught her how to play jacks, you guys. She'd never played jacks before. And so I bought some online and taught her how to play that. We had so much fun. So I should teach her how to shoot marbles too, eventually. But she's 12. She'll learn really quickly, but it's just funny to me. So here's the final reveal, you guys, of everything that I made for you today. If you made it to the end of this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. You guys have no idea how much it helps my channel, and I'm so appreciative and so grateful that you're just here, that you're with me today and you're watching my content and enjoying it. It means the world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Now, as I was saying about the game, my granddaughter, it's just funny to me that they don't know anything about all of just the fun old games that we used to play because they have technology. So they're engrossed in that. So I teach her all of the games I played. Hopscotch. Yeah, hopscotch. Tic Tac Toe, checkers, jacks, how to shoot marbles. And she loves it. Or maybe it's just the time spent with me that she loves, or both. But I love teaching her old stuff like that. So I know she's going to enjoy this Tic Tac Toe Valentine's game that I made just for her. You guys, as always, be blessed, stay safe, and until I see you on my next one, craft something beautiful. Bye.